everyone, welcome to today's cleaning routine video. I'm so excited to share this one with you because I was sick all last week, so my house got pretty dang messy. And I hope you're feeling motivated to get up and start cleaning after watching this video. I'll be walking you through my Friday go-to cleaning routine that I do every week. As you can see, there is a ton of junk on the countertops. The couches are a disaster. There is so much dust and dirt on the floors, and everything just needs a really good wipe down. A little helpful tip is to start the laundry before you tackle the cleaning. That way you can switch out the loads while you're still cleaning, and then when you're done with everything, you'll be ready to fold the clothes. So let's get started with the downstairs. You'll definitely want to start with everything but the floors first. Wipe down the countertops and the appliances and all the furniture, because I'm all about wiping everything onto the floors and sweeping it up at the end.
Straight to the hell we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell a million lies. Kill the butterflies. I just wanna make things right. Walk, keep us on the road. Try to find what we had before. Get the spark, ignite, or is it gone?
I'm not sure why, but I've never enjoyed cleaning the cabinets and the drawers, but I find that if you open them up, it's a lot easier to get in between the little spaces.
Baby, can we still shine? Tell me that we'll be fine. Are we still in love? Yeah. Walk, turn around and walk away is the easiest way, they say. But I don't wanna give us up. Cause to me, it will be the hardest thing to lose out on every single dream. And I don't plan on giving us up. I hear voices telling me you need to let him go. There's nothing there worth fighting for. I just need to know if one thing is true. Do you still love me like you used to do? away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind. Spend on fuel, beating heartache on the move. Sometimes I just wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, watch 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 all night.
backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud. How you like my outfit? I have to say I'm kinda proud. I got my dancing shoes on, and I'm feeling dangerous. Let's get this party started. Yeah, we gon' be adventurous. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you?
I almost left this part out of my video, but you know what? It's real life, and I guarantee some of you ladies can relate to a messy vanity now and then.
Usual, I'll take the usual. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. Another usual. Up. Nothing's wrong with me yet, but maybe this bow tie was too much. I just have to be cool, looking like I'm Clint Eastwood. Ain't the bad or ugly, my mama said that I'm the good. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not in.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep in love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Wait a minute, I can let you go.
The key to keeping up with laundry is to always do it immediately. Don't let it sit in the dryer, otherwise it'll accumulate fast and you'll feel overwhelmed with so many clothes. I always do the folding on the bed and separate them into piles because this makes it much easier for me to put them away faster.
But why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, fall deep.
It always feels so good to have a clean house. I love doing this on Friday because it sets a fresh start for the weekend. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Because, I mean, my car is getting pretty messy. Have a great day, guys. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this clean with me video, make sure you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. Sorry, I have the TV on. That's annoying.